Hello everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful morning this morning, and today I would like to go over the XRP price chart. So as we can see here from where we last left off, we're still trying to find that bottom. So I know that we dipped pretty low right here on October 25th. We came down to 0.486 and that was extremely volatile, spiked down. Personally, I really like the price action that I saw within these levels. As far as the order books, they were even. There was no real need to come back down to these levels. So we came up and around. XRP was hanging a little bit heavy, so I was a little surprised to see us come all the way down to 0.491. But we had an indication of that based on the TVP that was set right here. On the 31st of October, we came up, we hung heavy, we knew it was coming back down. I knew, you knew. It came back down, hit this TVP, and then actually kind of shot right through it to fill out a little bit more of the bottom side. And it didn't quite come as low as the October 25th wick. And now that we got a little bit of a rally off of these lows in this area, I'm expecting that this area right here between 0.486 and 0.496, around there, I believe that these areas are about to be left. So, and you know what that means, guys. That means we're leaving them for the bull run. It doesn't just mean, oh, we'll temporarily leave them. I'm talking that these areas could potentially be left forever if there isn't an extreme skittish wick to the downside. That's always been a little bit of a fear of mine. Just on some extreme volatility, the wick just shoots down, boom, takes everyone out of any leverage, and then explodes to the upside. I think everyone kind of has that fear, but as far as precedent goes, in 2016, 2017, when we got that same skittish wick that I think everyone's afraid of, I believe the trading conditions were a lot different, and I believe that liquidity conditions were a lot different as well, and we were able to see a wick like that on low volume. But now that the market, it honestly became so much bigger after the 2017 rally, and the liquidity became so much more stable, that I don't believe we'll see such an extreme wick this time. It is possible we get something, but honestly, I don't see a wick like that happening again. I think that we're going to be good to go, and extreme volatility like that, as this asset becomes more and more traded, the volatility will go down. As far as just recently, the levels that we have here, we got that TVP, and I'll just quickly go down a little bit. I'm going to address this area right here. So we got the TVP, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and delete this light blue line. We know that it was taken. We came down a little bit further to kind of form a bottoming structure. We didn't take the low of 0.486. We kind of just came back up, bouncing now. This area right here, so from this low of 0.491 up until 0.514, this price action to me is all good to go. The order books are all even, everything's paired, we are all good, so no worries about this rally here. This was a good rally. We don't necessarily need to come back. I did see a little bit of a problem area, so I'll just mark that in here with a gray line. The price doesn't necessarily have to come down here, but I could see that there's, just a little imbalance. Not a huge deal, but there is no TVP. So that means we could, honestly, guys, we could get a rally at any time right now. We can really get an explosion at any time. The price action's even. There's no TVP level to watch out for. We're ready to explode upwards if we were to want to. XRP BTC pairing looks ready to go. We just got a curl over. That would be our second curl over. And if we get a second curl over, now we start to get some relief as the rest of the market starts to take off, hopefully this week, if not next week, then it's possible we could start to see XRP moving up, and not just moving up, but a real move up. So I'm going to go ahead and, so like I said, I'm going to mark this area 0.504, just so you guys see it there. A little bit of a problematic area, not a huge deal. But as far as this rally goes here, we're all good to go, and I would like to see this continue to push up, and it looks like possibly later this week we're actually ready for a sustainable rally, and it's possible that we leave 0.486 as one of the lows for the bull run rally of 2024 and 2025.